In this video, I will show you step by step how to correctly execute a trading signal from a Telegram group on KuCoin. First, we open the Telegram video or message and carefully read the signal. This includes the trading pair, which is the product being traded, the direction, meaning whether the trade is long or short, the leverage, and the take profit targets. The trading pair can be found directly inside the Telegram signal and is clearly highlighted. Next, we switch to KuCoin and search for the same product using the search bar. Once we find the correct trading pair, we open the market or trading section. Now we transfer the information from the Telegram group directly into KuCoin. If the signal says long, we select long. If it says short, we select short. The leverage is set exactly as shown in the signal. After that, we set the take profit targets. We enter the first target and set the order type to market, so the position is closed automatically when the price reaches that target. For each take profit target, we repeat the entire process and place a separate individual trade for every single target. This means that each target is bought as its own position and managed independently. Let's look at an example. Assume you want to trade with $1,000 and the signal includes 6 targets. Instead of using the full amount at once, you divide the $1,000 into smaller parts. Each target is assigned only a portion of the total amount. This approach helps manage risk and improves overall trade control. That's how easy it is to follow Telegram trading signals on KuCoin or an exchange of your choice. If you want access to similar signals, join the KuCoin Signals trading group. The link is in the description.